Lesson 13. Requests. I keep asking her to turn down her music. I keep asking her to turn down her music. It's a small request. It's a small request. She has to turn it down. She has to turn it down. I'm just requesting that you keep him in your yard. I'm just requesting that you keep him in your yard. I need to borrow your computer. I need to borrow your computer. Can I see that book? Can I see that book? Could you move over a little bit? Could you move over a little bit? Can I make one small request? Can I make one small request? That's a pretty big request. That's a pretty big request. Could you give me a hand with this box? Could you give me a hand with this box? Would you mind being a little bit quieter? Would you mind being a little bit quieter?